up, everybody? This video is about these. I don't know what to call them, but they're little side skirts that will hold the body. Right now, I got it Velcro. You know, the Velcro's okay, but I'd rather have something more secure. And I was watching a video, and the 501 crew, I think it was the dad, had some little things on the sides right here that the body set into, and I liked it. So I got on Fusion 360, you know, created these, and I had to send them off to treat stock to have them printed because I don't have a 3D printer. But hold on. Yeah, but so, and this is my experiment car. So I do all the stuff I be experimenting with, I do on this car. So I got these, and I'm gonna take the Velcro, you know, off of here, put these on, cut the body to fit, so the body will slide. You probably ain't gonna be able to see that, but it's a little 2mm gap in there, so the body will slide and fit in there, and that to hold the body in place. And I'm just gonna put double stick tape along here and just double stick tape it down, because that's all that's holding these little metal things down, is double stick tape. And double stick tape holds everything down real well. So, you know, so let me see, set that up there. Yeah, so I'm gonna take these off. Let's just double stick tape down and put these on. So, and then the body should fit in the grooves, and I'm gonna see how it works, you know, and hopefully it work good. If it do, then I'll probably do it on the rest of my cars. But these have a little lip right here. You know, I got an extra little lip on there so it'll hang down, because I like for it to hang down because it keeps the air from getting up under there on the sides. And one day I didn't have that, like it was just normal, you know, just like this, and my car kind of lost control and it went to the side and it just shot up in the air because the air got up under there. So I start cutting my body to where it hangs down, and now, you know, the car if it loses control, go to the side, the car won't shoot up in the air. I used to just use these ones. I used to just flip them over and have it hang down just a little bit, you know, so it'd be hanging down just a little bit. But when I made these, I made sure I made a little lip so it'll hang down just a little bit, you know. But we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna get them on here. I'm gonna take these off, take this off, put the body on, cut it, and, you know, get it on here and see what it look like. So I also had them made in this is a ABS plastic. I had them printed ABS. This plastic is like TPU plastic. It's flexible plastic. This holds my little GPS. Y'all should get one of these. You know, this is good. You crash or do whatever, your GPS will not go anywhere. And so this little flexible plastic, I got it off eBay. You know, just look up a GPS holder or something. But I got them on. I got it in like all my cars. I got a whole bunch of these. But no matter what happened, your car flip over, tumble, your GPS will be stuck right here. This is just double stick tape down to there, and it will not go anywhere. So you will not lose it. You'll not break your GPS. Everything will be fine. But this is good. But I also had these printed in TPU, but I ain't got it here yet. So I'm gonna see if this is better, the ABS plastic or the TPU plastic. I only like the TPU plastic because it's flexible, and you know, this is hard and stiff. But I'm gonna see which one works better. But for now, these are the ones I got. So this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna get them put on the car, and I'm gonna see how the body fits and how it looks. Get the body cut right so it'll fit right in the grooves, and be back to let y'all see what it look like. Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back. I got them on here, and I like them. If I was to change something, I probably would have got a different color. You know, probably the same color as the front. Or maybe I just paint them. You know, but I do like them. I got clearance. See, my fingers fit up under there just fine. Body sits tight. I cut this side a lot better than I cut the other side. The other side, I have a little bit of slack in there, you know, so I should have cut this side a little bit lower so it hit, but I still like them, you know. It holds real good. Keep the body in there so you don't have to put that tape, you know, just make things easier, so you don't have to tape it all up, and you know, every time you run. This holds the body in place, you know, and you'll be good. I see a lot of people doing the tape thing. I don't know. I didn't want to do the tape thing. I wanted to find a better way. And when I seen the video with the 501 crew, I thought that was a great idea. Only difference is mine's come down. You know, I don't know if you can see up under there, but mine's come down further because I want to block the air from going in from the sides best way I can. And I don't really worry about the front. Let me show you. Because my thing fits right up under this groove right here. So I cut them if I have to fit it perfectly up under this groove. So my front is solid. So I don't need to tape the front. It fits up under there, you know, perfectly. So the air just, you know, no air can get into there. It just goes straight under. But I like them. I think they cool. If anybody is interested in them, or if you want them, I have the STL file. You send me an email, I'll send you the STL file. If you have a 3D printer, you can print them out yourself. And if you don't have a 3D printer, go to this website, which I'm gonna show you, and you can just order them from there. You can upload them to the website, and then, you know, pick a person you ever feel comfortable with printing them, and they'll print them and mail them to you. That's the way I had to do it because I don't have a 3D printer. So the back of this car, I had something going on the back of it, but it messed up. I don't know. That's why all this little glue stuff is here. This part comes in, and it got caught on my tire. You can see how the tire, it rounded it out. And you check out this side, it goes straight across. But somehow it got caught on my tire, because I think this comes in sometimes, and it rounded this out, and it trued my whole half my tire on one of my runs. So what I did, I had a plastic thing that was glued. I had it glued from here to here to hold it out. It was glued all here, and I guess I lost it on one of my runs. So I'm gonna glue another one. You know, I'm gonna go another one straight across, all up on here and right here, just to keep these from, you know, going in and getting caught on my tire. But so that's another little thing I had done, but it fell off on one of my runs, and I just now noticed it today. So, but I'm gonna fix that so to keep these out and keep these straight and solid, you know, and the body should be solid, everything should be solid, you know. And I kind of like them. But if you're interested, send me an email. I email you the STL files, and all you gotta do is print them. You know, I ain't trying to sell them or nothing. Just, you know, you have to order them if you don't have a 3D printer. But let's go to the website, and I'm gonna show you. I'll show you how I ordered. All right, this is where I made it. I made the little side skirt things on Fusion 360. You know, and then I saved it, went through a process, saved it, turned it into a STL. This is what a STL looks like. It don't have nothing on it, just look like a plain piece of paper, but really it's an STL file. So what you do is, if you do not have a 3D printer, is you go to this website right here called Treat Stock. We'll go back, and then we'll just go back and start it over. You go over here and hit order 3D print. Then you go here and you upload it. You upload the STL file. That's it. It'll open. It's gonna open. You put how many you want. I'm thinking about getting 2. I'm gonna get 2 for this one. So you click how many you want, then you hit next. Over here is where you pick how you want to make it. the ones right here that I have are ABS plastic, but I want to print some in this TPU plastic, and I want it in black. And here it tells you all the people who will, companies or normal people who are printing for you. So what you do is you go through here. Don't worry about these ones that say $219 and $126. Them are like big companies with real big professional machines. So you ain't really looking for them. You're looking for somebody cheaper. So you go through here and go through the ones, you know, till you find somebody cheap that you might like. This person has an average rating, you know, it's only $22. And let's try the next one. See, this person, $12. I got a high rating, $12, but he want to charge $15 for shipping. So that's where he gonna get you at right there. So I didn't print it through here before, so it'll be $18 plus $4.14 for shipping. So I done had TPU plastic printed through these people before, so that's who I might decide to go with. But you go through here, look at say $438. That's some super big company, you know. But you go through here and pick out whichever one you know fits that you like. Most likely I'm gonna go through here and click on that one. You know, they should have some of their work printed up down here, a few pictures, a few things. But I done ordered through this through this little company or people before, so you know, so I don't order through them before. So I got 2 of these. I'm just trying out the TPU because TPU is real flexible and bendable. If it works better than this hard stuff, then I'm gonna order more. But that's the one I chose. But this is how you order it. So if you want the STL file, I will email it to you if you're interested in one of these, or if you want one, you know, at no cost. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Ain't nothing. You can just have it, you know, if it works for your car. But these are made to fit on the Arrma Limitless. So, and if you want it, just, you know, send me an email and I email you the STL file. And if you don't have a 3D printer, this is how you order it. You know, I'm gonna hit order. So let me see here. RC bias up to next. Millimeters all correct. I want to order it through these. I want to order it through them. It's going to be, I'm ordering 2 of them in black and TPU plastic. That's what I want to order. So alright, then I guess you fill out all this information, put in your credit card, or I pay for it through PayPal, and you know, they'll print it up and ship it to you. You know, they have to accept your order though. So they accept your order, then they'll print it up and ship it to you. If they don't accept your order, they might send your order to somebody else, and you know, that person will end up reaching out to you through email who accepts your order. But usually I only had to happen once. Everybody else have accepted all my orders and printed them out, and they ship them to me. You get it to you as fast as possible, and you'll communicate with them through messages. So, but this is how you get them printed out if you're interested. All right, thanks for watching. I'm out.